Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change camera settings on your FC24. So first of all, you have to open the settings in the left upper corner. Next, when you are here, you have to go for the settings, and here we have to go for the game settings. Next, we have to go to the camera options, and as you can see, we can find a couple of the options like single player camera, the multiplayer camera. We can also lock the player camera. There's also another mode, the clubs camera, be a keeper camera, and we can also set our custom camera settings. So right here we can set the height, zoom, foresight focus, ball tracking speed, penalty arena zoom, pro camera speed, pro camera swing, and power shot zoom. And here you can adjust all of these parameters by moving your stick or arrows to the left or the right side. And that's all the camera settings that you can find on the FC24, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.